This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming your iPhone supports eSIM and that you can access the Roamless QR or activation code on a second device. Once confirmed, open Settings and tap Cellular to begin. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active so the phone can download the eSIM profile. Use Add Cellular Plan and scan the Roamless QR or enter the code manually. This is fast. Follow on-screen prompts and name the plan so you can identify it later. Once the QR is scanned or the activation code entered, the phone will download and install the Roamless eSIM profile. Wait until the profile shows as active. Next, tap the new plan and choose labels, call it Travel or Roamless, so you can manage it quickly. Then set which line is used for cellular data and which for voice or iMessage. Make sure data roaming is enabled if you'll be in another country. This prevents conflicts and ensures traffic uses the eSIM when intended. Finish by testing the connection. Disable Wi-Fi and load a web page so you verify cellular data on the Roamless eSIM. Make a quick call or send an iMessage to confirm voice and messaging. If something goes wrong, toggle airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then restart the phone. This often fixes network registration. If the profile won't install or shows EID/MA errors, contact Roamless support with your device EID and MA. They can reissue the activation or walk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.